everyone, welcome back to Painted Studio. I'm Maury Curtis Dunbar, the host of Making Many Messes. And today we have our free finish Friday finish coming up later this afternoon, but right now we're going to do an unboxing. But before we do the unboxing, I want to remind everyone, I get notifications, they just pop up. I want to remind everybody that today is the last day of our contest. If in case you haven't been here when I've announced this before, and this is the only place I'm announcing it other than the original video, if you would like to win a 10-ounce jar of texture medium, a 10-ounce jar of metallic paste, and a orange stamping roller with handle, you need to go back to last Friday. Hey Minetta, you need to go back to last Friday's Free Finish Friday video where we announced the contest, and it says Free Friday finish and contest on that video. So go back to this page, scroll down, find that video, and sprinkle it. Sprinkle is our secret word for share. Facebook doesn't like the S word, so we had to come up with a new S word. I swear I'm going to get a necklace that says around my neck and just point to it all the time so you all can know what to do. If we hit 25 sprinkles, then the contest is good. If we don't make it to 25, nobody wins anything. So let's make sure the more sprinkles we have, the more opportunities you have to win. You can enter as many times as you want, but you need to sprinkle, come back to the original thread, post sprinkled, and you're entered. During the day today, I will acquire all those names, all those sprinkles, put them in a bag, and we're going to draw. And I will put in a name for each time that person has sprinkled the video. So please make sure you not only sprinkle the video, but you go back and post on that thread. On the last Friday's Free Finish Friday video, go back and post there that you sprinkled, because that's where I'm going to be pulling the names from. Not from this video, not from any other video, from that video only. So please make sure, sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. If you don't announce it there, you lose your chance for me to put your name in the drawing. So please make sure to do that. All right, now that I've spewed all of that out, we're going to do some unboxing of stencils. The first ones are ones that I already carry, but you might not have seen them in person, so I want to share them. We're just restocking because these are 3 of our most popular stencils. And noticing I'm cutting this open really carefully because I really don't want to accidentally cut into the stencils. All right, let me pull this out. They do such a nice job of packaging these when they send them to me. These are from Wallover. And let's see, what have we got in here? This is, I'm pretty sure this one's they pack it really well. Oh, thank you. I have one more, and we're going to foil it during this live so that you all can see how I accomplished all 3 of those frames. And if you notice, 2 of them were stuck to the air conditioner behind me because my air conditioner is not pretty and I'm tired of looking at it. All right, so this is our Elizabeth's lace. Look how beautiful that is. I love this. It's already on our website, so it's there and available for you. I use this a lot for all over patterns because it has nice registration that we can easily overlap, but I also love using this on fabric. I love using these for the legs of my jeans, and then I can create a vine going all the way up my leg. It's so pretty, so pretty. So that one's Elizabeth's lace. This one, I don't know. The other 2 are almost identical in size, so I have to check. Let's see. This one is, which one is this? This is Flower Power. This is our Flower Power stencil. This is another great all over pattern. The dots here and here act as registration marks so that when you move it around, it's really easy to place it with the dots. You've seen me use this on several videos. This is a great pattern. All right, we'll set that one aside. And this one should be the Paisley stencil. Oh, nothing wants to come out of its bag easily for me today. And this is our gorgeous Paisley stencil. Again, these are wall over designs. These are so awesome. This is stunning. And I love that Cynthia, when she creates these, makes sure even the registration marks are properly sized so that you can move this pattern around really, really nicely. So these are always in stock. These are gorgeous. I love them. All right, so the next one. Now these are brand new stencils from Renee Holder of Two Chatty Chicks. So if you follow Renee at all, you'll have seen these patterns before. And you saw that a couple weeks ago we brought in the elephant head and what was the other one? The elephant head and the peacocks. Well, this one is the elephant stencil, a completely different elephant design. Look at that great Mandela stencil. Beautiful elephant. I love that one. And let's see, I think I ordered a couple different ones, so I have to remember what I ordered and just flip through the patterns. Okay, so that's our gorgeous, gorgeous elephant. I mean, this is going to be stunning. If you're going to ask me what the prices are, I can't remember right now. I think this one's like 24 or 28. I just don't remember off the top of my head. And then this is, I'm going to put them aside because it's obviously easier to see them mounted on this brown cardboard. This is the cow skull. Yeah, we're getting into the season where we're going to start doing fall and holiday decor. So this is the first one I'm bringing in. And look at our gorgeous cow skull here. I love this. Again, this is not on the website. Literally, I just got them in the mail this morning. I'm unboxing them now. When I get off this live, I'm going to be going on the website and putting these up. You'll see them very shortly. They'll be up within an hour of me getting off of the live here. All right, let me move this. Let me move the elephant over here so that I can keep them all together, and then I'll show you our third and final pattern from Two Chatty Chicks. This is our gorgeous new dragonfly. I mean, how beautiful is this? These are just so gorgeous. And I will be using at least one of the new stencils in our Friday free finish. So, if you have any requests for what you'd like to see on the stencil, which stencil you'd like me to use of the three new ones from Two Chatty Chicks, that's the cow skull, the dragonfly, or the elephant, let me know. Just post it here because I will make sure to use them in the live later. What the majority vote is, I'll use it in the live. And I think I said I was going to show you all something else. Oh, the other frame. Yes, this is the frame that we showed how to do the painting and how to put the adhesive on yesterday. So I thought I know, isn't that dragonfly gorgeous? I'm going to flip this down. We're just going to do a 2-second quick foiling of this. Now, people ask how long this adhesive stays sticky. And just a quick review, we applied black set coat with a makeup sponge on top of one of these little laser cut frames. We carry these frames. We carry them in several sizes. We applied black set coat with a makeup sponge, and then we applied Artsyville foil adhesive the same way with a makeup sponge. And I think we're just going to take this little bit of Wood Haven foil because that's what I had originally planned for it anyway. I'm going to cut myself a little piece off here. And we're going to do a quick foil on this one. And this is our Wood Haven foil it's a V-mask foil. so that's perfect for this. But I thought, you know, I usually do so much bright stuff. I thought maybe I'd kind of back off the bling for a few minutes and do something a little more organic with kind of wood patterns and metal patterns as opposed to like bright and shiny. And if you're wondering what I mean by that, I'll show you in just a minute. Oh gosh, I didn't wash those sponges out and they were sticking to things from last night. Okay. Now these V-mask foils look a little different than other foils. Unlike the other foils, this carrier film that it's on is frosted, so you don't quite get to see how beautiful the foil is until it's completely released on the surface. But I love this. But somebody asked how long the foil adhesive stays sticky. Will it stay sticky overnight? I said it will stay sticky until your funeral, because it is a permanently sticky stuff. Once it's cured clear, it never stops being sticky, so you just need to make sure you top coat things that you apply it to. Oh, this is going to be nice, but I think I need a little more scrubbing. Okay, look how beautiful that is. Wow. And again, I had excellent release, so you can see that the foil itself pulled off the carrier film really nicely. Left me a complete design, so I could actually probably just go flop this on something else. I think that's so funny. Okay, there's a couple little thin spots. Oh no, I'm trying to cover up I'm so smart. They're dark, you can see they're dark streaks in this film. I'm trying to re-foil where I think the dark streaks were actually just paint, but look how cute that is. So we're gonna flip this up. Okay, we're gonna flip this up, and you can see I hung my other frames on my air conditioner because my air conditioner is ugly. And there is our third frame completed, and it looks so cute, and the release is so good. All right, everybody. Just a quick live to show the unboxing of the new stencils and to finish up that one last little frame. Again, a reminder, we carry those frames. The frames do not have a back ridge. They are a completely flat piece of wood that was laser cut in a frame pattern. So these, if you're going to use them to put an actual piece of work in, you're gonna have to find a way to mount it to that, or you're gonna have to find a way to mount the frame to the canvas. I don't know how, I haven't figured that out. That wasn't my job this week. All right, I will see you all later. We'll be back. We're going to do Free Finish Friday. I will come back in, go through all of your remarks. Everybody take a moment, vote on which stencil you want me to use. And one more reminder, go back to last Friday's Free Finish Friday and contest video. Sprinkle it and come back and tell me into that thread. Not this thread, not any other video thread. In the thread with the video, post sprinkled. That way your vote will count. If you post sprinkled somewhere else, I'm not gonna know that you meant that video, so I'm not gonna include that. So make sure. And we will be closing the contest in just a couple hours, so make sure you get your chance to win. And I'll come back and choose a stencil from what everybody says here. All right, everybody, I will see you in a few hours. Enjoy. I'm gonna go clean up and start getting ready for this Free Finish Friday video. Talk to you later. Bye.